Preposition on with examples.
The book is on the table. I left my keys on the counter. The cat jumped on the chair. She placed the vase on the windowsill. The painting is hung on the wall. There's a sticker on his shirt. She sat on the bench at the park. The kids are playing on the playground. I put the letter on your desk. He always wears a hat on his head. The car is parked on the driveway. She plays the guitar on stage every week. There was a bird sitting on the fence. He's studying on the computer right now. We celebrated the event on a cruise ship. The book fell on the floor. I saw a man walking on the street. The dog is lying on the couch. The sign is on the door. We spent the whole day on the beach. We spent the whole day on the beach. The restaurant is on the right side of the street. The weather report is on the radio. Please
Like, share and subscribe to my channel.